Hello, my good traders. Another day is here. How are you guys doing? Is everything all right? I am also fine. Today, I want to give you a tip, and that tip is very, very important. What I would like to say is that when it comes to Forex trading, you need to take note of three basic things. Three basic things. One is your strategy. The second one has to do with your trading plan. And then the third one is your risk management. 3, write these things down. I'll be going into detail, one after the other. The very first one is what? Your trading strategy. The second one has to do with your trading plan. And the third one is your risk management. These three things are very, very important for every trader. And every trader, whether a professional, which you call a pro, or an intermediate trader or a beginner, whatever category of trader you are, you need these three basic things. They are needed in the life of every trader. Your strategy, I repeat, your strategy, your trading plan, and then your risk management. Once you have these three things and you understand what they are, and you are able to get your way out in these three things, then I can tell you for sure that the profit you wish to get in the forex market will become yours. Yes. Once you are able to take note of these three basic things, then you are on your way to becoming a profitable forex trader. So if no one has ever told you this, then I would like to tell you this on this channel, Leading Forex, that you need these three things: your strategy, your trading plan, and your risk management. Begin to search. Maybe if you do not even have time to wait for me here on this YouTube channel, you can go ahead and begin to search for these three things. A trading strategy. Look for one. Get a trading strategy. Test it over time. A minimum of 3 months. Test it and see how it works. Okay? After that, you will need a trading plan. You will need a plan. In this world, no one does anything without a plan. You will need a trading plan. So begin to look out for trading plans. And then try to see if you can develop a trading plan out of whatever you might get as samples. And then the last one has to do with risk management. These three things I have mentioned, they move hand in hand. You can't do away with one. The three must go. Because without a trading plan, you will have issues with risk management. And without your strategy, you cannot even develop a plan. And you may not even know what risk to put on any trade. So these three things, they go hand in hand. You can't leave one out. That is why I am giving you the three. You need them. And once you are able to get the details of what I am mentioning, you will come to realize that I am here telling you the truth. So as a beginner, or an intermediate, or an advanced trader, if you are making losses, if you have still not seen the profits you wish to see on your account, then it is as a result of these three things I have mentioned. There is no any other thing anywhere. There's no any other juju or any other secret. The secrets you need are these three things. Please, if you understand what I'm saying and you have found something that has to do with these three things, you come here and testify that I wasn't lying to you, but I was actually giving you the whole secret you need in the forex market: a trading plan, a trading strategy, and risk management. They move hand in hand. You can't do one and leave the other. The three must go. Thank you. I'll see you in other videos. This is just a tip. Write these 3 tips I have given you down. They will make sense as we go along. I'll see you in other videos soon. Until then, subscribe to this channel. If you want a broker that you can use to trade, if you're in Ghana, if you're in Nigeria, or any other part of Africa, I have XNES for you. I also have Octa Forex for you. I have TICKMILL for you. I also have Blueberry Market for those of you in the UK and Europe. Blueberry Market, TICKMILL, and also AVATRADE. Those of you in Europe, you need these 3: Blueberry, TICKMILL, and AVATRADE. But if you are in Africa, you can use DERIV or DERIV, XNES, and also Octa. All these brokers, I am an IB holder with them. So you can get my referral link at the description of every video of mine. Just go to every video of mine, the description of it, and you'll find these brokers there. If you register with the first one, or you try to register and it is not within your jurisdiction, look for the next one. But like I've said, if you are in Europe, Blueberry Market, TICKMILL, and then AVATRADE. If you are in Africa or any other part of the world except US, you can use DERIV, you can use XNES, and also Octa. Go to the description of my videos and take the links, or get the links and register. And once you register through any of my links, please get in touch with me. Let's talk. Okay? Once you finish registering an account, which is a live account, I'm not talking about demo. I'm talking about live account. Once you register a live account through any of my referral links, get in touch with me. And you can get in touch with me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is +233 246 136609. I repeat, +233 246 136609. Get in touch and let's see what we can do for ourselves. The first quarter, or the first half of the year, is over. We are in June, so we are almost done with the first half. We are left with the second half in 2024. Today is June 3rd. Let's see what else we can do with the rest of the year. All right, I'll see you in another video. Until then, we can get interactive on social media and see the way forward.